The International Youth Dialogue on Inheritance and Innovation of Civilization Diversity was held in Honghe Prefecture, southwest China's Yunnan province on Saturday. More than 100 young people from China and abroad attended the event. Yunnan, with its diverse ethnic culture, has many intangible cultural heritages, including the cultural landscape of Honghe Hani Rice Terraces, which was inscribed on UNESCO's World Heritage List in June 2013.
我觉得，文明多样性是人类的财富。然后，作为秘鲁的青年，我希望就可以自己保护自己国家的文化和习俗，然后如果可以，那传播到更多人，所以更多人可以来秘鲁看我们的梯田。
我们都来到这儿和互相认识，然后也分享我们的文化，分享我们的经验，这个也是一个多样性。